Once upon a time, in a faraway land in Central Java, lived a really old woman named Motsi. She wishes for a child more than anything.
But certainly, I can give you a child.
A child? Truly?
I
Please help me.
will give you a child to raise. But when she turns 16, she will belong to me.
I, I agree. The giant handed her a magical cucumber seed and began a blessing and also a curse. From the cucumber came a beautiful baby. Motsi named her Himamas and she raised her with care and love. Mother! Hi! I'm working bills now. Let's hear it. Be careful, my child. But Motsi could not forget her promise. As Himamas grew, so did her.
It is time for Sylvie. She belongs to me now.
Please give us more time.
Tomorrow, I will come back. I come back.
But Sylvie was desperate. She went to the wise man. Please help me.
What's happened, Bo?
Please help me to protect my daughter.
Oh, wait. I have something. This for magical item for protector. This is the cucumber seed. And this is the needles. And this is salt. And this is the salty.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hilma stands outside the house. Both Sylvie hands her items. My daughter, please take this. Run for away. Serve yourself. Run away.
Timur mas,
She throws the cucumber seed, and vines grow rapidly to track the giant, but he broke free.
you cannot escape this.
And the Sargo, when he walked to the left, the giant fled, still continued.
That won't stop me.
This is my last change.
Ah.
After that, Little Angel was defeated. And so, Himamas and Motsi lived peacefully in their life. And the moral of the story is, we need to be careful with promises and we have to only live with society. With hope, diligence, and wisdom, we could shape our destiny. And that's from us. Thank you very much for your attention.